Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about the smart contract that powers the decentralized messaging application. Uh, we have a lot of process in this project, but we'll go one by one. So first we will discuss about the smart contract, and then we will discuss about the testing the behavior of the smart contract, and then we will deploy the smart contract into the blockchain with the help of the scripts file, and then finally we'll work on the front end, bridging the smart contract with the front end. There is a lot of process going on right now, but now we'll just learn about how the smart contract works, especially for powering this application, right? Okay, without further delay, let's move on to the video. And here is my code. So I'm using hard hat framework for building the applications that is powered by blockchain, right? So here we have the smart contract. As we all know, it always starts with the license identifier MIT. It's an open source, and we have to specify the Solidity smart contract version. So here I'm using any versions that's greater than 0.8.9. So let's briefly explain about how does this application works. See, here we are listing multiple channels, right? So when you want to get into a channel and chat in the channel, you need to hold an NFT. So if you don't have the NFT, it requests you to mint the NFT for certain amount of ethers, right? So here we are setting a constraint with the help of the NFT. So we are going to, of course, we have to use ERC 721 contract, right? That's what we are doing it here. From the Open Zeppelin, we are importing the ERC 721 contract. Here we are just inheriting the functionality of ERC 721 contract. There are three main functionality that is involved in this smart contract. What are they? So primarily we have creating a channel, and then creating as well as the listing the channel, both comes in the same thing. So creating the channel, minting the channel, and withdrawing the Ethereum that is present in the smart contract to the owner's address, wallet address. So that's the three main functionality that should be done by the smart contract, right? So let's see the first function, which is the create channel. So inside smart Solidity, we can create a user defined data type with the help of struct. So okay, that's what we are doing it right here. Okay, so from the user we're getting the name as well as the cost, and id is nothing but the total channels, which is nu into 56 variables. So whenever we create a channel, it increments its value by 1. So that's all about the create channel. And then the minting functionality is very important. Okay, we are using the safe mint function that is from the ERC 721 contract, which takes two parameter. So to whom I have to mint this NFT, and what is the ID of the NFT that I have to mint. So that's the two uh, parameters which it requires. And then if you see here, we have the payable modifier, which helps us to receive the Ethereum, okay, as a metadata. We have few constraints, like the ID should not be 0, the ID should be less than or equal to total channels that has been created previously, and it should not, the person should not be joined, right? So if he is already in the group, why he have to mint that NFT, right? So that's the constraint. And then the value should be greater than or equal to the cost of that NFT. So that's all about that. We have the get channels function. This is simply for testing purpose. And then we have the withdraw function. That's very important. So this helps in withdrawing the Ethereum from the smart contract to the wallet of the owner, right? So we are calling and we are passing address of this represents this contract balance, and this is being transferred to the owner, and this can be only performed by only owner modifier. So here you can see only owner modifier message.sender should be owner. Where does the owner comes from? It's inside the constructor function. So that's all about it. Let's try to compile this. I think I have already compiled it. Let me try it once again. npx head compile. Yeah, nothing to compile. It is being compiled. In next video, we'll discuss about testing the behavior of the smart contract using Mocha framework as well as the Chaya session library. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Balamurugan signing off. Peace.